Welcome back everyone to a new Alexis Hidalgo Tech video. Today I have a tutorial to show you how easy it is to replace the earpads on your Beats Studio Pro or Beats Studio 3. I bought these headphones back on July 12, 2022, almost 4 years ago for 177 euros. For this video, we purchased a replacement kit from the brand Wicked Cushions made of PU leather. For those who don't know, polyurethane is a layer of fabric coated with a soy-based synthetic base, turning it into a high-quality soft plastic. This kit costs 20 euros. It includes 2 alcohol wipes. The pads come with 3M adhesive, pre-installed, and are very soft and spongy. The main reason I am changing this is that the old pads have been shedding black flakes everywhere. I'm going to use this metal tool to separate the ear pads. You can also use a thin, dull butter knife. By inserting the tool and applying a bit of pressure while pulling, the pads should peel off easily. Next, remove the old adhesive, clean the area with alcohol and wait for it to dry. We need to align the pins on the headphones with the 2 holes on the earpads. Okay, this is the difference between the right and the left side. Right side, this had a square cutout at the bottom. It's easy to install because the cutout aligns perfectly with the charging port. For the left side, these pads have a small line to help identify the bottom. We should be aligned with the 3.5mm headphone jack. Just so you know, official Apple stores don't sell these pads. They offer a repair service for 30 euros, but they don't actually use original earpads. Apple also offers a full replacement of the headphones for 100 euros. But since these headphones cost between 200 and 250 brand new, you will have to decide what's best for you. In non-official stores, you can usually find repair kits for between 15 and 25 euros.